Have you ever pondered the cost of car service in India? It's a question that may have crossed your mind while cruising down the highway or when your beloved vehicle needed a little TLC. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of car service costs, comparing different models and brands, and helping you understand the financial implications of owning various types of vehicles. In India's diverse automotive landscape, the service costs can vary greatly. For instance, the cost of servicing a Maruti Suzuki Swift, one of the country's most popular cars, differs significantly from that of a high-end luxury model like the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The Maruti Suzuki Swift, known for its affordability and reliability, typically has lower service costs. Routine maintenance includes oil changes, filter replacements, and regular checkups. The average cost for these services can range from 3,000 to 5,000 rupees per service, depending on the specific requirements and the location of the service center. On the other hand, luxury cars like the Mercedes-Benz E-Class demand a higher service cost. These cars are engineered with advanced technology and high-quality parts, which require specialized care. The average service cost can range from 25,000 to 35,000 rupees, which includes engine oil change, air filter replacement, and comprehensive vehicle checkup. Then we have the SUVs like the Mahindra Scorpio. These robust vehicles are built to withstand rough terrains, and their service costs reflect the same. A typical service for a Scorpio can cost anywhere between 6,000 to 8,000 rupees. Now let's consider electric vehicles, a rapidly growing segment in India. The service cost for an electric car, like the Tata Nexon EV, is relatively lower as it has fewer moving parts than a conventional car, reducing wear and tear. A typical service cost for a Tata Nexon EV can range from 2,000 to 4,000 rupees. In conclusion, car service costs in India vary widely depending on the make and model of your vehicle. For an affordable, compact car like the Maruti Suzuki Swift, you can expect to pay between 3,000 to 5,000 rupees per service. If you own a luxury car like the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, the service cost can range from 25,000 to 35,000 rupees. For rugged SUVs like the Mahindra Scorpio, the cost is somewhere between 6,000 to 8,000 rupees. And if you're driving into the future with an electric vehicle like the Tata Nexon EV, your service cost can be as low as 2,000 to 4,000 rupees. Remember, these are just averages and actual costs can vary based on a number of factors, including the age of the vehicle, the type of service needed, and the location of the service center. Always ensure to maintain a regular service schedule for your vehicle to avoid any major repair costs in the future. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at car service costs in India. Here's to smooth and cost-effective journeys on the road ahead.